Hi guys, this is Mark. This is the EURPAUD I showed you earlier in the week. Not such a spookily good entry this week, but the stop was spookily good. This is a weekly chart, as you can see, and we've already caught this on now the third occasion. We look for breaks of major areas and we look for price to come back and retest them and to continue with the trend. So this is on a weekly. On the daily, you can see here, these were the entries. Now, I'm annoyed with myself because really, normally I would have put the second entry here just below the 61.8 fib and the other EMAs. However, I decided to put them both down here. What I'm going to do is close the one with the bigger lot size now. So here, I was risking around 30 pips. It had actually made 60 odd. I'm a little late here on the live account. So it's made twice the risk. I want to close this trade. So to do that, you right click, go to close, and I'm going to close this part of the trade. Now the second part, for now, I'm going to move the stop on the balance down here. And that will mean that the profit I banked on the first will more than offset the risk here. So now I'm only risking 18 as opposed to the original 50. As the day progresses, I will either move this to entry, but if price starts to turn back at any point here, I will close this for the weekend. I don't want to leave it open over the weekend with anything less than 50 pips in profit. Now another thing to notice, this is the USD index, and the USD index has come back up to this 55 EMA weekly and is struggling and rejected there yesterday. So if this turns back down, the dollar turns back down, the euro will turn back up, which then means this trade will start to pull back up here. So that is my thinking on that one. The other thing is I have a CAD trade in now. I've got to close this now because there's Canadian news due out shortly. I don't leave trades running through the news unless the starting position is far enough away. And for the CAD at the minute, the CAD today has done 33 pips of an average 69. And 69 will take it into this zone. But the danger is there's an overreaction from the news and then it drops, and it's Friday afternoon as well. If price had started down here and it was twice the average daily risk away, then I will let the thing run through the news. But as that is due out shortly, I'm now going to take this off and look and react after the news. Have a great weekend. I hope you had a good week again with us, and we'll be back with you on Sunday.